This is Wilson Collins with Adreno Programming Project 7 original code. I wanted to go ahead and pull up the website here of the kit that I'm basically working with here, and to let you know where the coding I'm getting it from is. If you actually scroll down towards the bottom, it's SIK example code. When you click that, it'll download, and then from there, you basically just have to extract it and put it in My Documents, Adreno libraries. And then once you do that, you'll be able to get to it by clicking File, Sketchbooks, Libraries, and I named it Class. And you just click through whichever circuit. I've already done it here. We've got Project 7 open. And this is how it looks like straight from the download. And it has a lot of information already on here, and it's just a little bit too much information. It's good to look through, but I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this coding here just so I could see exactly what's going on, and I'll show you guys exactly what's going on without this extra stuff. And I'm not sure if you've noticed it, anytime you have a // in front, you could just type in whatever, and you could put it at the end of the line too. You know, this is blah. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of some of this stuff, but I wanted to let you guys know that it's there, and that's why my code doesn't exactly look like what you might have if you're downloading this and going through it as well. I'll just go ahead and close up some of these. Try to get this all on one line. Alright. So this is the basic programming without the descriptions afterwards. And we're setting a constant integer temperature pin equals 0. So this is referencing anytime I use temperature pin is equal to 0. And the setup here, there's built-in libraries to the circuit, so that's why I don't have to call it up here with, include whatever. So serial is one of them, and we're just setting up the baud rate to begin at 9600 kilobytes or bits per second, I guess. So that's in a setup, so it only needs to be run once just to initialize the communication. And then inside of our loop here, we're going to float some variables, voltage, degree C, degree Fahrenheit, and then we're going to say voltage is equal to get voltage, which is going to come down here. And temperature pin is 0, so int pin, so it's going to say get the voltage from 0, and then it's going to return with that reading times a multiplier, and that's just going to get it to something readable as far as temperature goes. After that, knowing the voltage times 100 is going to be our degrees C, and this is parameters that you can be found in the datasheet guide for the temperature sensor we're using. The one that comes with the kit is a TMP36. And then from Fahrenheit, go from Celsius to Fahrenheit. We'll say Fahrenheit is Celsius times 9 divided by 5 plus 32, and that's just a constant formula there. And then the board is going to send over its baud rate the voltage, and this is in quotes here, so it's going to send over that text, and then it's going to print the variable voltage, which is from here, from there. And then we're going to print degrees Celsius. Then it's going to print a value for Celsius. Print degrees F. Print degrees F value. And then we're going to print line. Or excuse me, the print line is the last one, so it'll print that and then go down to the next line. And then it's going to wait 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 second, and then it's going to go loop back to the top and re-get it again. So it's pretty simple. I'll just verify to see what I have a problem here. It looks like I've deleted one extra bracket here, so I'm just going to add that. And you see that it says in your log here, error 35. I'm not sure if there's a way to actually find the lines, but you could just count down to 35. But it was highlighted right here, so I know it's this line, and I see that it's missing that bracket, and I see that I've got the bracket here, but I don't have the closed one for it. So I'm just going to go ahead and close that up. So now it says that this bracket is attached to here. Hit to verify, and you'll know when it's good because it'll say the size and it says compiling done. So I'm going to go ahead and upload that. It says uploading done, so I know it's good. So what I'm going to do now is click this icon right here, which is serial monitor, and I'm going to go ahead and bring that over here. And here we go. It's printing, and the print line degree F is, so it's going to print it right here, and then because it says print line instead, it's actually going to go down to the next row. So here we could see all these values, and it's updating every second. It's pretty basic stuff here, but it's kind of cool that it could go through your computer without having to set up any additional ports. You just click that serial monitor. And then you could, of course, take this copy it and put it in Excel. Anyway, that's it for this lesson.